reason why. I'm not gonna hide it, I'm not gonna lie. I know you can see it, what you got yourself in.
Hi guys, welcome to our grocery haul. This is what we got.
Guys, can you tell? Let's try it again one more time.
That's it.
No, let's try it again just in case I'm editing. And
Hi guys, thank you to our grocery haul.
No, babe. Come on. We edit, so.
Hi guys, welcome back to our video.
Today's.
That's it. That's what you're coming to say.
Today's video is a grocery haul.
Okay.
Hi guys, and welcome back to our video. Today's video is a grocery haul, and we have Rob here. He will be doing most of the talking.
No, I won't.
Wait. Okay. All right. Let's do it.
Why is the camera so close to our faces?
Hi guys, and welcome back to our video. Today's video is a grocery haul. We have Rob here with us. How much did we spend today, honey?
$82.
$82. And how were we able to fund this grocery haul?
Plasma.
You hear that, right? So all this food you see here is from us donating plasma. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so let's get into it. Let's not prolong this anymore. We have coleslaw because Rob is what are you doing different this week?
Just eating a little cleaner.
Yeah, so he's eating a little cleaner. So we got coleslaw. We have carrots. We have baby carrot. We have 2 things of baby carrot. We have a thing of orange, a little bit of fruit. Then we have oven turkey breast. I think there's 2 of these.
Yeah, somewhere. I heard that.
We have honey wheat bread. We're getting closer and closer to actual wheat bread. So we got 4 of those. And all of this today, guys, cost us $82. And that's from us donating plasma so we can feed the babies. We have some green lentils here, organic green lentils. We have toilet paper so the kiddos can wipe their butt. So we have 4 things. And this was, I don't even remember how much that was. We have some ground beef here. This is 85% lean, 15% fat. We have quinoa. This is to act as a rice substitute. We have some cheese over here. And it's not imitation. I don't believe this is imitation. We have more turkey breast. Okay, we're just gonna wait till he's all.
The kids.
Back to the video, guys. So the turkey breast, and then we have some drumstick. Look at the prices on that, guys. $2.42. Not even Walmart you can get this much for that cheap. And then we have some chicken quarters because these are great for when hubby wants to, throw stuff on the grill. And then we have some more drumstick because this is the cheapest. And there's a whole bunch of us. So this is at least 2, 4, 6 days worth of meal. We have some pretzel. We have the stick. And then we have the mini twist for the children lunches. And then they're only at school 3 days this week because they're off Monday and Tuesday. So they have some big dippers. We have some dry roasted peanuts. We have, this doesn't look like it's all the food. Where's the rest? We have sweet and salty nut cashew. Did you guys put some of the food away? Or this is it? We have whole grain rotini. Yes, hubby is going, whole grain on us.
Trying.
We have some steak fries. Yeah. We have some corn flakes. This was 92 cents. We have some milk over here.
For $1.35?
$1.99 for milk.
Yeah, $1.99.
We have tuna. So we only got 3 because we already have 1 in the pantry. We have Jiffy corn mix, and what I use this for is I use this for sweet corn cake. So I use that, and then I used corn, cream of style sweet corn, and then I use corn and a little bit of condensed milk to make sweet corn cake. It's so good, especially when it's like taco night or something. We have some popcorn for snacking. We have more bars because this is what Rob is gonna take for his lunches. Then we have some protein instead of Pop-Tart. And then we have whole grain penne. Then we have sweet and salty nut, peanut, almond, and dark chocolate. These were $1.39 at Aldi's. And then we have, we have golden eggs. I got 3 of these. Hopefully this lasts us. I usually get the pack from Walmart, but we didn't go to Walmart, so yeah. We got some yogurt. So I just got 12 yogurt. Then we got black beans. So we have 4. I'm so tired. I think donating plasma make you so tired. Like I'm so drained. I want to take a nap right now. I want to take a nap right now. Like they took everything, and look, all of me is just laying out right here. This is because they take something from me. I'm able to provide all of this so the bambinos can eat. And I'm tired now. All right, so black beans. We have whole potato. Anybody else donate plasma to supplement your income? Or is it just us? I know a lot of people think that it's a bad thing to, sell your bodily fluids, or if you may. But why not? Because the drug company is just going to use it for free, and they make a ton of money off of us, so whatever. Sweet. I know a lot of people that go in and don't take the money. Well, hubby said, but they're like, it's frowned upon by a lot of people. They're like, well, I don't need the money, but if you need the money, take the money. Don't let your pride get in the way, okay? Don't let your pride. Stewed tomato, sweet corn. It's better. I could be out prostituting and selling my body. You know what I mean? But I'm not doing that. So this can of paint, really. And then we just have this random bread sitting here from the kids' lunch earlier. Really? This is the most ghetto video I've ever seen. We have hummus. Oh, look at us getting more fancier this week. And we got a thing of water. And that's it, guys. This is going to feed a family of 7 for a week and a half. This is not going to last us the whole 2 weeks. A week and a half. But hubby gets paid. Rob gets paid on Friday. So this will last us until we get to Friday. So, yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this week's worth of grocery haul. I know I'm going to get a lot of hate because of the fact that we said that we use money from plasma or whatnot to feed our children. But we're not ashamed of what it is that we do. My goal here on this channel is to show other families that are going through whatever struggles or whatever and need ideas and ways that they can supplement their income without, depending on the government, without depending on, a family member or whatever. You can do it. If we can do it, you can do it, okay? So don't be ashamed. Don't be, don't let your pride stand in your way. Go do what you gotta do. Like, go do what you gotta do. I wear my badge. This is my badge of honor, okay? And I'm feeding my babies, okay? So I don't have no shame in my game, so you shouldn't either. So that's my little rant. Hubby is making something to eat. I don't know what it is, but it smells so good. Anyways, if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button somewhere on the screen and become a sunshine. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.